Hello fellow traders, this is Paul Lemmel. Got a new stock here. Been looking at the chart, been following it lately. Looks like it's possibly getting ready soon for an entry on a PBC Zone train. This is OWL, Blue Owl Capital Inc. It's a financial services sector stock. But first, before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. It really helps us reach more traders like you and keeps you updated on our latest trading tips. Okay, this one came out of a long-term cycle trend line here in October 2024. And big picture on this, again, we had the left-hand side of the cup about a vector of 0.8 BMI, 80% gain. And then pulled back into a cup, Cat 1, Cat 2, TM5 cycle on Cat 2. And as you can see, we just basically came up here and printed the TM7 cycle. Came back and retested that $15 psychological price point right there and headed back up. So basically right now we are in a PBC zone. We got a TD4 cycle. It's a 10 to 13 day cycle right here. So I expect a several day dip back down here, maybe a week or longer possibly, but looks like a pretty soft landing so far. It hit that $25 psychological price point. So just doing some backfilling. Your next subdominant psychological price point is 2250, and got the 50 MA there also, so that might be a target point there. But overall, it's pretty orderly price action. Again, you got blue sky, and you got blue sky territory all the way up from here. And this is actually in a sector where you've had some pretty big movers over the last few years on the financial service sector stocks. I don't know why, but there's also another one I'm following right now, WLF, and it looks pretty good too. But this one, again, pretty orderly PBC zone so far. If you're unfamiliar with any of the trading terms I'm using, you can find our club lingo at bigkahnatradingclub.club/lingo. Now, looking at the price floor down here, one of the ways it makes it easier to identify these turn zones is you look for a key psychological price point. You got one right here, $10. And you can see on the bottom down here, you got basically a reverse head and shoulders. You got the first dip, left shoulder below that $10 mark, and you got pop off of that. Then a middle part down below the $10, the head part of the reverse head and shoulders. Pop off of that, and basically coming back to retest that left shoulder over here. So this is the right shoulder. Again, retesting $10, and then off to the races. So, you know, if you're looking for these type of opportunities where you don't have to micromanage a stock and you know, looking for a 1 to 2 year play for potentially 100% plus based on the base BMI. I mean, right here you already have 138%, and this is just now getting started. So, you know, extrapolating the base BMI, even from the TM5 pullback, that's about 91%. Let's just say you round up 100% out of here. That would take it to $40 plus. And, you know, if you're in down here, up to $40, that's a pretty nice gain. It's a couple 100%. Again, without having to micromanage. But key is looking for these price points and how the price reacts off of it. And looking for the retest of these $10 price points, $12.50, $15, whatever psychological price point you're targeting. But these under $20 stocks, once you get a bottom on them and you have good base BMI, again, you can get moves to $40, $60, etc. coming out of these long-term trend lines. And if you're in down the floor of these in that $10 area, you got a pretty nice couple year run, 400 or 500%. So again, look for these opportunities, especially when you see a cycle setup. This is a TM5 cycle, 12 to 15 months, and just playing the pullback. This is basically a Cat 3 pullback off of that set, Cat 1, Cat 2 right there, and Cat 3. It's a TM5 cycle on the pullback. So Cat 1, Cat 2, Cat 3, and you got the pretty much the bottom on the pullback off of that TM5 set. If you're interested in a trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtraining.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.